watch out for the scammers. Ooh, boy, you better get your pins up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have this U-part wig that I'm pretty sure a lot of other people may have a U-part wig and don't know how to install it. So if you are one of those people, I will be showing you how to install a U-part wig with no glue, no sewing. Very easy, only takes 2 minutes. And for those of you who want a more natural look and are not looking for closures or frontals, it's convenient. So let's get into this video. Alright you guys, so I don't want nobody judging me because you guys will be looking just like this before you get your wig on. So I know I look crazy, but it's for y'all, okay? So we're going to take the hot comb and basically just flat iron your leave out. Use the hot comb, use the flat iron, whatever you gotta do. Just get it straight or to match the texture of whatever wig you decide to wear. So to secure the wig, I'm going to be taking the 2 combs and I'm going to be attaching that to my rusty braids. I know I've had these braids in for a minute, don't judge. And I'm going to be taking the combs in the back and putting those in because I need a secure wig. And honestly, I don't flat iron my hair every day, so you know, maybe every like 4 days because then my curls start to drop. My wig is in layers, so I just like bump the bang. It's not even a bang, but basically I'm curling my hair so that it frames my face. So as you can see, to achieve this look, it's very easy. Like, literally takes 2 minutes if you know what you're doing. Like, so you just throw your wig on and you know, style your hair. And 9 times out of 10, you're not wearing this to bed. So I mean, the style in the wig is going to stay as it is, unless you know you're getting crazy, but. So now I'm going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster and I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. It's not the best, but I mean, I'm just going to slick them down. And yeah, like this is very easy. Like I stated before, it only takes 2 minutes. So if you're trying to lay your hair, not make it look wiggy, this is how you do it, okay? Thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, your mom, your dad. See you guys all later.